Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our March new products video. Our first new product is this replacement lower column bearing. Dennis Carpenter made this. It's a really quality piece. This fits the 80 to 91 Ford Bronco and the 80 to 91 F-Series pickup. It's the lower column bearing. These go bad all the time, years of use on the truck. What's nice about this, heavy duty steel casement there, bearings right inside, gives you the Allen head mounting screws. Basically, you take your steering shaft off, pop that lower bearing out, take these screws out of here, slide it in place and screw it again. Brand new. Again, heavy duty replacement lower column bearing for the 80 to 91 Bronco and 80 to 91 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is this replacement inspection cover. This is for the C6 Ford pickup. Fits 65 to 75 with a 360, 390, 2 or 4-wheel drive trucks. Again, heavy duty stamped steel construction, powder coat finish. Basically, take it out of the bag and pop it right in place. This goes on the bottom of the trans. If you were in the back of the vehicle looking at it, this is how you access the torque converter bolts. So it basically screws on with 4 bolts. Again, fits the 65 to 75 Ford truck with a C6 automatic transmission with a 360 or 390 engine. Our next new product is the evaporation replacement plug. So basically, Broncos from 72 to 77 an evaporation bottle for the gas fumes to go up and goes back in the tank. A lot of people eliminate that. It's right behind the driver's side striker post. There's a round hole, there's lines come up through it, there's a bottle there. People take that off when they do the trucks, don't put them back. Well, there's a hole there. Instead of welding that shut, this is the replacement plug. You pop that stuff up, pop this plug in place, and you got a watertight seal again. For the 72 to 77 Bronco, evaporation bottle replacement plug. And our next product is this lock cylinder set. This is for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco. From the factory, you had the square key, which fit the ignition, then you had the round key, which fit the rear tailgate lock and the door locks. Well, this kit is all keyed the same, so you get 4 locks and they're all keyed the same. First of all, you get this ignition cylinder, gives you 2 keys, it's chrome, it's ready to go. And it gives you right and left door locks, gives you the gaskets for them and the clips. And at the end, it gives you the rear tailgate lock cylinder, highly sought after piece. Again, all keyed the same. Again, sold as a kit for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco. It's a 4-lock matching key set. And for our March web truck of the month, we have Dawn Fogel's beautiful 86 Bronco. It's a nice story. I talked to her at Bronco Takeover. She originally, first vehicle was an 86 Bronco. She drove it till the motor quit, sold it. Later in life, she found an 86, had it restored. It's a beautiful blue Bronco. You'll enjoy the story. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
It's a 1986, and I bought it in 2020. And gosh, when I saw it for sale and it was the same year and same colors as the one I had in when I was younger in my 20s, I really wanted it. Yeah, it was in the good price range. It ran and it drove, so
had to have it. I
had to have it. I did. I slept on it. The next day, I'm like, we really need to go see this. It has a 1993 Mustang 5.0 engine that the original owner put into it, and ran good, but it was a bit of an electrical mess. So it took a while to get the electrical worked out. And then once it was running dependably, then I took it in to have the paint restored and the body work done. It just had a little bit of bubbles going on the wheel wells. It was in pretty good shape, and so the rust on the doors were too much, so the doors were replaced from LMC, but the new doors fit really nicely and it came together beautifully. The paint colors are true to VIN, the VIN number, but I took the blue and put the metallic into that, and a little bit of that pearlescent blue into the cream. Okay, and so
it looks like it's stock height?
I think so. Yeah, it's on 33 inch tires, and so I don't think it's been lifted.
Why Bronco for you?
You know, growing up, my dad owned them. I worked on them as a kid with him in the garage, and then as a teenager learned how to drive on one of my dad's old Broncos, or it might have been a Blazer. He had both. But just, yeah, the nostalgia of it. I just love them.
How do you use your Bronco?
I take it to a lot of car shows, but even, gosh, lately my boyfriend's truck broke down, so he's using my daily driver, my Durango, so I've been driving it everywhere lately. And so, yeah, when you have a extra vehicle, you know, it comes in handy. I wouldn't trade it for nothing, for sure. Yep, love it.